Here are some basics of the calendar tool. You'll go to your web page and you'll click Checkout, and it'll bring the tools up at the top of your screen. You're going to choose the calendar and you're going to drag it down onto your screen. When you click on the calendar one time, it gets a red outline around it. This will allow you to move it around on your screen, on your page. It'll also allow you to make the calendar larger or smaller. If you want your calendar to be fairly small, you can make it a minimum size of about what this size is on your screen right now. Now, to modify the content on the calendar, it's pretty similar to a Google Calendar. You'll right-click, Modify Content, and then you'll be able to click on any of the days of the calendar, and you'll be able to type some type of field name into that date on the calendar. For example, if you want to give homework on February 16th, you would click on February 16th, and that brings up the event manager. The event title is the text that will show up on that date on the calendar. It's probably simplest to just put the word homework or the word quiz or the word test or the subject or HW. You won't have a lot of room to actually put text on the calendar on each of the dates. You choose a start date for the event, which if it's homework for the 16th would be starting on the 16th, ending on the 16th. And then here's where you can type in the details of the assignment. Read pages 200 to 205. Do exercise 1, numbers 1 to 10. And click Save. Now the only thing that shows up on the calendar is the word homework. But when the students at home click on the word homework, they'll be able to see the details of the assignment. So let me just save what I've done. Then I can show you when they click on homework, this is what will pop up. The date of the homework, the time, which is just that day, but then it gives them the details of the assignment. Read pages 200 to 205, do exercise 1, number 1 through 10. Now you can also put another assignment on the same page. By clicking on the same date on the calendar again. So you want to modify content to work on the calendar, click on that same date, and you can add another assignment to that date. Now your students know they have homework on the 16th, and they also have a quiz that day in class, or whatever details you put on that date. And the nice thing about the calendar is that it will automatically advance from month to month. You don't ever have to go back and erase the assignments unless you change them. You can always modify them by clicking on the assignment and going to this little edit icon in the bottom right corner. That just brings up the event manager and allows you to change the information if you need to. It also is where you could go if you wanted to remove that event from your calendar. So those are some basics of using the calendar on your page. And you'll want to click Save and Publish so that the public can see your calendar.